In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with Google Calendar. This is an incredibly useful setup as it allows you to keep your tasks and calendar events in sync, enhancing your productivity by ensuring everything is seamlessly organized. Let's dive into the process and get your accounts connected. First, you'll want to locate the More Options menu, which is conveniently found on the left side of your ClickUp dashboard. Once there, you're going to want to navigate to the Apps section. This is where we gain access to the variety of integrations ClickUp has to offer. You'll see a list of different applications you can connect to. Look for Google Calendar among those options. If, by chance, you don't see Google Calendar right away, there's no need to worry. Simply utilize the search bar located within the Apps section to type in Google Calendar, and it should pop right up for you. Once you have located Google Calendar, the next step is to press the Connect button. This will initiate the integration process. You'll be prompted to choose which Google account you'd like to connect to ClickUp. Make sure you pick the account where your primary calendar is hosted, so everything syncs without a hitch. After selecting your Google account, ClickUp will guide you through a series of connection instructions. These are straightforward but crucial, so make sure to follow them carefully. This might include granting permissions and confirming settings that ensure ClickUp can access and interact with your calendar data properly. Once you've confirmed all the details, press Next to proceed. After you've gone through these steps, you'll see an option to press Done, which will finalize the process. As soon as you complete these steps, you should be able to see your ClickUp tasks and Google Calendar events syncing. This integration will allow you to have a unified view of your projects and appointments, helping you manage your time efficiently and avoid any scheduling conflicts. And that's it! You've successfully integrated ClickUp with your Google Calendar. This connection will streamline your workflow by keeping all your tasks and events in one place, ensuring you stay on top of your game. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tips and tutorials just like this one. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.